How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch the most precise bottoms in the stock market. And today I want to talk about ticker WISA. And I'm going to tell you guys exactly how do I get a precise entry and to make a lot of gains and be confident in the market and do not buy random candles. All right, before I get into that, do look into the premium Discord and I'll give you guys my best trades with entries and exits before I get in and out for only $6 a month. I'll put the link down below if you want to check it out in the YouTube comments. But let's get into what you guys wanted to see. You guys want to see ticker WISA. Is this a good buy? And where are we looking to sell? And what is the dilemma here? So let me show you guys exactly my unique system that I have developed for over 6 years, and I've finally been releasing videos on it because I feel confident about it to keep me in the market and can survive any market condition. So what you're looking at is three bands. The top lower band is your green band. I label it green. Customize the setting to be a buy zone. Red is your sell. Blue is your middle band. And that is where price is going to go back to. So I'm looking for areas where you can see the consistency of when it gets near the band. Look what the kind of gains you get. This goes over 100%. That was a nice entry right there. This one goes near here. Gives you a nice little 11% little pop if you wanted to take it. And then obviously it goes up way up here if you had the patience. I like to take these little gains here and there. They add up real fast. Here was another nice little buy signal. And look how it magnets to the blue band. So this right here is what I call a gap. When you see this, that's a gap with no price hitting it. You record that, and within a month to 2 months is really the longest I see, and that gap will be filled. This got filled pretty fast when it hit the bottom band. You don't see that all the time. It could go to the middle and make a newer low. So just keep that in mind. Take the profit when you need it. So now that I showed you some things that happened, this thing has been so oversold that I had to like zoom all the way out in just to see the price where I'm at right now. So I showed you examples of when it hits the green band. It either straight up to the middle band, it could shoot to the halfway mark and shoot to a new lower low. We don't know, but we do know we are in at a close to an area of where at a buy zone, and that does not mean necessarily if the price hits this lower band, we get in right away. That's not what I'm saying, but I am saying like this is looking rather good now. I'm looking at the 15 minutes here. Yeah. So yeah, this had a big spike down right here in that 15-minute candle, making massive gain down here. And if you got the low, you had a nice little entry here to make a little gain. But that's not what we're trying to do here. We're not trying to day trade this. I am a swing trader. I want to make the best consistent gains with low risk, high reward. So now, check. We are below the middle band, below the green band, or we're right at it. That's a good mark. That means this is on watch. This is a nice buy signal. The potential target is at 0.08. That gives a nice room to the upside. But what I do want to see is you see how this wick went down below it. We're kind of above this green band. If I could see like a new lower low or just go slightly under this green band, might be a nice area to accumulate. Also, let's keep in mind the KDJ, which is a nice indicator to say, are the buyers wearing out or are the sellers wearing out and going on to a different stock? So the K is at 11.50. What I'd like to see is at least under 10. Ideally, I'd like to see around the 5 range. That is a really nice area. But I do want to see that. And then obviously you have to have a nice accumulation rules when you find bottoms and reversals. I discuss all that in my premium Discord of a nice accumulation reversals when I do my entries, when I tell people. So yes, this is ticker WISA. Big massive move down. What I like about this system is you ignore all these candles. You see how it hits the upper band? It's so overextended where it cannot hold it in. Price cannot hold it up here for so long. It could stay up here for a bit, but it's not going to stay up here for so long, and it breaks down to that middle band. And then after it hits middle band, it could bounce back up for an uptrend or bounce down for a downtrend. It chooses the downtrend. So there's a lot of strategies you can do. Like I said, I talked about the gap fill here. This is when price hasn't hit it in a while, and you see the strategy of where it's hitting the bottom band. you better be aware this is going to give a nice gain to that gap of the middle band, because it hasn't touched this middle band. It touched it right here. You have this gap, and then it fills it up with the middle band bounce, and then you have this gap, fills it up with the middle band bounce, and then you're consistently hitting the middle band, means it's like kind of consolidating down or lower, just little bits by little bits. So that's the strategy. There's a lot of ways to use it, a lot of techniques that I've just learned based on using this strategy over years upon years. It's a really nice strategy. It makes you really disciplined. You don't just get in random trades if you're bored. If you know if there's no trade exists, you just don't trade. But there's always usually like 1 to 2 stocks I'll find in the whole market that have like a pattern like this. Okay, so this is WISA. I'm definitely, liking this. Obviously, I'm not in it right now because I want to look for other scenarios, lower time frames. I talked about the K on the KDJ. I talked about it going back into this black area, the below the band. So all those little things you want to keep in mind for the best risk versus reward, and that will make you the most money. So if you guys enjoyed this kind of video, if you enjoy videos like this and like finding reversals, because this can be used in any market, guys. You can apply this strategy to anything, because any market has price action. So it works with anything. You will find tops and you will find bottoms. Everything does not just go forever down. There is corrections in the market. This WISA could easily hit this halfway mark between the blue band and then make a new lower low, but it's going to make ups, downs, ups, downs. We want to get on the downs and ride the upways. That's how this strategy works, because I like to buy things for cheaper prices and I like to sell it for higher. But I also want to have a massive upside. That way, if I am wrong, there's plenty of room to the upside for the price to move up. So here's the premium Discord. I talked about briefly in the beginning. The great thing about this is it's only $6. I don't know how much longer I can keep it that way, because it's honestly just really too cheap for what I am offering. But I do notice, like, a lot of people are struggling and they don't have big accounts to, afford Discords that cost hundreds of dollars and still make a profit. It doesn't make sense with a $500 account to say, how am I supposed to pay $100 a month and then also be consistently profitable? It just doesn't make sense to me. So I felt like $6 a month. That way, any size account, $100 to $100K, you will totally be able to find this. And what's nice is you have trade alerts. I'm going to show you a very preview of what they look like. You will see a limit order to buy such and such at such and such price, and I tag everyone. And that's before the price gets there, so you can get in, put in your broker, go on your day, and then obviously when I hit a sell, I say limit to sell such and such, and then that. And then I have my accumulation rules in here. Setup video is going to talk about exactly where is it at? So the video is going to talk about exactly what I have on here, because I can't go over all this stuff in the video alone, like talking about WISA, because this video is about what do we see in WISA, where do we find the bottom, where's our potential target, and how do we trade WISA. That's what this video is about. But in the setup videos, if you join the premium Discord, you will have all my stuff on my chart that you can copy on your chart. It's an awesome channel, guys. It's family friendly. We all help each other, and we all want to make money. That is the purpose. Help each other out, motivate each other, bring in your thoughts, opinions for the good, and make money. That is everyone's goal in trading. So, only $6 a month. I would love to have you. I'm going to put the link down below. Go to the YouTube comments or the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades. And guess what? They are the best trades. I highly doubt anyone can find bottoms as precise as this strategy, because I've really honestly spent years to develop this. So I hope you guys enjoy it. It's a really nice strategy. If you also like finding reversals and you like this video of my WISA, hit the likes button, subscribe, comment down below. What your share price is, your averages, any type of engagement like that. We'll share the video to other retail traders to help them out and help them become profitable, because we are here to help each other out and help people become profitable. If anyone has some knowledge they want to share, that is what we're all about. So thank you so much, guys. WISA, I do really like this trade. I'm not going to lie. I'm not in it right now. If you want to know when I get in, join the Discord. You won't regret it. So, yeah, that'll be it. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. I'll see you in the Discord, and I'll catch you on the next trade. Peace out.